do you think, Caleb? Do you remember playing with this? What is that, Caleb?
A pig.
What does the pig say?
Oink.
What's that?
A cow. Moo.
And what's that?
A sheep. Bear.
And what's that?
A horse. Horse. Wow.
What does the horse say? That's right, Aurelia and Caleb. Aurelia, what does a cow say?
Moo.
What does a pig say?
Yes.
La la la.
Pig say oink.
Oink, yes. Do you remember playing with this? Hi. What is that? Oh. Really? Can you see Caleb?